back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one, though, isn't one of the normal monthly ones. This one is a bonus box that they offered that I've decided to pick up. This one is the Luxury at Home box, I believe. I got this one in the J&K beauty box as well, but that's another video. So anyways, a little quick overview of what all's in it. It's got a $275+ value, which, given I think I paid like 30 or 40 bucks for this, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. So, this limited box includes Glow Skin Beauty Hydra Bright Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant, full size, Herbivore Botanicals Jade Roller, full size, Herbivore Lapis Facial Oil, Herbivore Phoenix Facial Oil, Ever Skincare Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy, full size, Cicely Paris Express Flower Gel, Fortuna Skin Face and Eye Serum, Glow Recipe, Watermelon, Pink Juice, Glow Moisturizer, Yonka Lotion, Yonka, and Youth to the People Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. So then on the back, we have Make Yourself at Home. Last year, our kitchens became short-order restaurants, our living rooms became offices, and our bathrooms became the closest you could get to a spa. I now relish the peace that comes with shutting my bathroom door, turning on a podcast, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing to my heart's content. The connection between one's beauty rituals and living space has become so profound that we've dedicated Allure's April issue to just that. Beauty at home. It's also the theme of the box you have before you, which is filled with everything you need to craft the ultimate indulgent skincare routine. As always, our boxes are all about choosing your own adventure, but I'll be using Glow Skin's exfoliator 3 times a week, topping it off with Fortuna Skin serum on days when my skin is dry, Glow Recipes moisturizer, and sealing it all in with Herbivore's Phoenix face oil. On nights when I'm not just going to shut my bathroom door, but bolt it too, leaving my work laptop and folded laundry and responsibilities firmly on the other side, I'll up my game with Youth to the People's Mask, and as the piece de resistance, I'll break out Herbivore's Jade face roller, using upward and outward strokes to help depuff and boost circulation. You can find all these products and more in this limited edition box. Talk about a home run. So, we're gonna go through them. So right on top, honestly, I'm so stupidly excited about this. I shouldn't be, but I am. Is that Herbivore Jade face roller. And oh my gosh, guys, like, this one, for freaking once, is actually real, true jade. It's not one that's just like, it's probably some kind of crystal, but it's just green. It's totally jade, but you can tell by feeling it. There's no way on this planet that could be real, because it doesn't have the heft to it. Here we go. This one's real jade. Jade is my favorite gemstone. I know it a mile away. And even without picking it up, I could tell looking at, that one's real. That one's real. But the second I picked it up, I'm like, there it is. There it is. I've had about 3 fake jade rollers before that was very disappointed upon getting them each time to find out they were not legit. This is the real deal. So if you got this box, you do have a legit one. So I'm just like, oh, I'm so freaking happy right now. You have no idea. I don't know if there's any truth to that whole crystal healing thing, but if there is, I don't mind having a variety of different stones to go between with my face rollers, but from an aesthetic point of view, I am so stupidly happy to have an actual jade roller that is actually a jade. So there is that. But yeah, just wanted to throw it out there that if you got this box, it is an actual jade one. Finally. So then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer right here. So I mean, it's a sample size, but it's a decent sample to get a feel for the product with, just saying. I've got smaller samples of this product, so definitely don't mind having some more of it. I always love anything by Glow Recipe, and look how aesthetically matchy-matchy we are. That just pleases the eye. And then we've got the Cicely Gel Express, where is it? The Express Flower Gel Hydrating and Toning Mask. Pretty sure this is only like a single, maybe a double use if you do it right, mask in this sample size, but you can at least get an idea of if you like it enough if you want to buy the full size. So odds are this is probably crazy expensive, so I probably will be just sticking with my sample and calling it a day, but that's just me. Then we have the Ever Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy. I'm like, oh, we got a lippy. We got a lippy. Let's see it. Let's see it. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let's see it. Ooh, okay. So here we are. Loving the rose gold. Always do. Doesn't really have a scent in case anybody was curious. But yeah, I'll let you know how that one is when I try it. Obviously, I'll get a review like everything else. An ultra nourishing lip balm that conditions and comforts with shea butter, argan, and magnolia oils. That's one you don't hear too often, magnolia oils, while peptides create a fuller, curvier, more youthful looking appearance. Ever conscious, clean beauty rooted in nature, cultivated by science, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, and hypoallergenic. That's gonna be fun. Alright, so we got that. Here's the Youth to the People Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. Instant Microdermabrasion Enzyme Treatment. I'm always a little hesitant with the exfoliators because they're usually way too rough. But this one, I mean, it almost looks like a whipped mousse or something. I'm not seeing really harsh, gritty elements in here like you usually do, so I'm intrigued. I'm super intrigued. Again, I'll let you know when I try it how it is. Like, I'm not hearing any gritty sand as I shut it or anything, so I'm like, part of me is almost skeptical because there's literally nothing gritty. On the other hand, I'm like, this would be so much better for the skin if it actually works and doesn't use that horrendously gritty stuff that just damages your skin, so. Because the ones that have, like, walnut shell shit in them, like, those, they, like, wedge down deep in layers of your skin and do permanent damage. You don't want to be doing that. So, anyway. So here's the Herbivore Phoenix Deep Renewal Face Oil. Ooh, let's see it. Ooh, it's so orange. Look at it. I don't know why that just, like, tickled me, but I'm like, ooh, okay. Okay. Let's see here. Phoenix Facial Oil renews and hydrates skin with a blend of luxe botanical oils using rosehip and sea buckthorn, naturally high in omega fatty acids to visibly plump the skin. Formulated for all skin types in need of intensive rehydration and renewal. Apply 2 to 5 drops to cleanse skin morning and night. Massage in. Store out of direct sunlight. No shit. Anything with vitamin C, never ever in direct sunlight. It'll oxidize and ruin it, like, immediately. So, keep it in the box, keep it in a dry, cool place, just saying. We also have the Lapis Balancing Face Oil from Herbivore. Is it blue? It better be blue, being called Lapis. Ooh, it is! Look how pretty! Oh my god. Oh, I like it! Ooh, okay. Lapis facial oil is named for the naturally azulene-rich blue tansy oil it contains, using squalane, which has high emollient properties, creating a light natural barrier for the skin. Formulated for combination oily and blemish-prone skin types, or any skin type in need of balance. And then it's the same thing, 2 to 5 drops, store out direct sunlight. I am actually stupidly excited to try those. Like, really stupidly excited. We have the Fortuna Skin, what is this? Face and Eye Serum. Use 1 full dropper to spread a thin veil over skin. Tap, tap, tap with your fingertips to drive in the benefits. Apply morning and evening. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, it's so gold. For some reason, oh, it's hella thick too. It's like honey in there. I, for some reason, was not expecting it to be like that thick, but okay. We'll see how it is. I bet you that one is a spendy little dude, but anyway. And then we have, by Glow Skin Beauty, the Brighten and Glow Hydra Bright Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant. So, much like that other exfoliator, this one's a liquid one. So this is going to be more like that elf one that I did that one time that was, like, so gross while I did it for how much shit came up. AHA and PHA, brightening exfoliating treatment. Clinically proven to brighten, smooth, and impart radiance with a blend of 5-alpha and polyhydroxy acids at a 10% concentration. This liquid exfoliant boosts the efficacy of masks, serums, and professional treatments. Well, yeah, because if you don't exfoliate first and get rid of the dead skin that's on top, how's anything supposed to get through that layer, huh? Common sense. Just something like this is much gentler on the skin to accomplish that than the harsh shit, so. You apply to clean skin, avoiding the eye area, let it absorb, do not rinse off. Oh. Okay, I guess it's a little different than the e.l.f. one, because that one, like, you did the thing and it, like, came up. It's just, like, you just let it absorb and do its thing. And you don't rinse it. That's so weird! Like, it's got water, mandelic acid, lactic acid, gluconic acid, glycerin, ammonium hydroxide, malic acid, tartaric acid, niacinamide, carnosine, Phyllanthus umbilica fruit extract, sugarcane extract, lemon fruit extract, orange fruit extract, apple fruit extract, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, sodium metabisulfite, PEG8/SMDI copolymer. Actually, it has a lot of things in common with that e.l.f. one, now that I'm looking at the ingredients. But, we'll see how it is. It looks like, by that ingredient list, that it should be a gentle enough one to where it doesn't, like, burn while you're doing it. But it's just interesting to me that this one is a do not rinse off one. Like, I don't think I've seen that before with an exfoliant, but okay. Go off. And then we have, finally, last thing in the box. This is the travel size. The Yonka Paris Essentials Lotion Yonka. So this is an invigorating mist, dry skin toner. Okay. Refreshing, invigorating mist, contains no alcohol. It's taking me a second to, like, read the stuff because it's in, like, all these different languages, but it says the same thing over and over and over. And English is not the first one for once, French is. So, this invigorating mist is a true phytoaromatic fountain of beauty. It refreshes, purifies, tones, and prepares the skin for everyday beauty treatments with 5 essential oils for dry skin. Okay. Our ingredients are water, glycerin, lavender oil, pelargonium, graveolens leaf oil, rosemary leaf oil, Supressus sempervirens oil, thyme flower and leaf extract, PEG35 castor oil, some colorants, chlorohexidine, diglutamate, linalool, citronellol, geraniol, limonene, and coumarin. Another one with coumarin in it. It's kind of like the EOS thing, where 2 of them have it, 2 of them don't. And I'm like, that makes no sense. Why do you have a blood thinner in your skincare? I would like to know, why is that added to certain skincare items? It doesn't worry me so much as it's just like I'm just curious, why is it in there? Like, it seems unnecessary, but what the hell do I know? I'm not a dermatologist. So anyways, that is what all was in this box. We've got a lot of goodies here. Trying to carefully put them back in the box, except for the lippy that I'm putting over here, so I'll use it faster. But yeah, so anyways, I think they're still selling this one on the site, but you do have to be like an Allure Box member to get the deal. So if you are an Allure Beauty Box member, go through your emails, because they did send out the link to everybody to be able to buy it, but it was kind of like buried in amongst other stuff when they did it. So anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.